Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we best translate your documents, PDF files, AutoCAD, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, XPS, dwf, and so on, by Google Cloud Translation Framework. You may think you get this service free from Google or other online websites. Yes, but these services are limited to 10 megabytes per file. If your file is one page and it's bigger than 10 megabytes, you can split it. And these services are not batch. They are per single file. For example, we have, let's see, around 8,000 files, PDF files for a new project. It's in Danish in original. If we try to translate these files one by one, it will take weeks to full translate them. But we can make them ready in hours. So if it's a tender, you won't miss it. Anyway, time is money. The other thing is, if there is a problem in the translations, this may be formatting error like you will see in PDF files, since they are very difficult to deal with, or some mistranslation of technical or job-specific terms. You have to find a real person in front of you to tell your problem and correct it. For example, Google translates the term as built as done. But this is not the correct equivalent of the term used in construction terminology. This may be faced even translation is done by real person. There are hundreds of sectors and thousands of sector-based terminology. If the translation is not specialized in your sector, you will see hundreds of mistranslations like this. And if you inform us about an error like this, we will add the correct translation and rerun, and maybe thousands of definitions will be corrected in the documents. So it is important to find a real interlocutor. Now, let's see how we work. We have a simple interface we have developed. We select the files to translate. In case of these files have to be converted to PDF, first we do this. Now let's select some files. And here we select from language and to language. You can see here lots of language to translate to. And let's translate. That's all. Then we receive the results. If there are unwanted formatting errors, we make additions to our code and so on. Now you see the translation report. In around 20 seconds, you see around 300 pages have been translated. This is 7 documents only, and you will see here around 70,000 unique words count have been translated. Here we can see the original file and the translated file side by side. You see, the formatting is the same. Most of the translation sites lose the formatting. Since the translated document word length is not the same with the original file. We will write the link for you to download them in the bottom of the video, so you can easily review them. This is a original French document. we don't understand French, the original document, but after we translate it to any language we understand, we can easily see what it is going here. Let's see another one. This is very helpful for urgent works like tendering and other report presentation jobs. We can get a report after the completion like you saw here. This report is also sent you with the files. Before translation, we can get this report by simulating the translation. Whatever your sector is, health, law, engineering, economics, military, or etc., if we can help you in your works, we will be very glad.